In this video, we will show you how to replace your throttle position sensor on this Dodge Ram. This will be mounted directly to the driver's side of your throttle body. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. Locate the throttle position sensor located on the driver's side of your throttle body. Disconnect the wiring harness by squeezing in on the locking tab right up along the top and disconnecting it. Once it's disconnected, give it a quick inspection for corrosion. Assuming that looks good, we can set that aside. Once you have that disconnected, remove each of your two T25 Torx screws that hold this in place. One right here. We'll inspect that mounting hardware as we continue, replace it as necessary. Remove the throttle position sensor from the throttle body. There it is, friends. Now that we have that out of place, let's clean and inspect the mounting area. Okay, let's get ready for the installation of our throttle position sensor. Go ahead and take this in position. We're going to slide it over the center shaft and then align our two mounting bolt holes. With those aligned, continue on to installing both of your mounting screws. We want to start them both in before we tighten either of them. All right, snug them up. Once you have both of those snug, continue on to torquing them to 60 inch-pounds. Reconnect your electrical connector. Listen for a click, give it a tug to make sure it's secure. Once you have that torqued, make your way over to the other side of the throttle body. We'll be looking for where our throttle cable goes to. You want to grab a hold of this lever and make sure that it functions properly. If you feel any resistance or it's binding, you want to remove that throttle position sensor and realign it. This one feels perfect. Okay friends, we showed you how to install the throttle position sensor on your vehicle. At this point, close the hood, make your way inside the passenger compartment, start up the vehicle. Make sure you don't have a check engine light or a running condition, and then take it for a road test. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.